What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw a simple cartoon turkey. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left, start from the very top, come all the way down towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up towards the top. Now I want to draw that same size circle on the right, touching in the center. So we're going to start in the middle, come all the way around, and then back down in the center. Let's add the pupils in the center of each eye and fill those in black. And then along the bottom, we're going to add the beak. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to curve this up towards the eyes and then back down. Go back to the left, curve the mouth, coming down and then up. Go back to the left side, draw the bottom of the beak, coming down and then up. Now we're going to go underneath the left eye. I'm just going to curve this around the beak and then down. Round this out and just pull that up towards the corner of the mouth. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going out and then down. Round this out and just pull that back up. Now from here we move out to the side and draw the top of the head. Let's start over on the left. I'm going to bend this up, almost like drawing a half oval. Go across and then down towards the right side. Now I just want to curve the head. Come straight down and then bend that out towards the bottom. Same thing on the right. Now I want to close off the bottom of the head with a series of curves. So on the left side, bend this down and up, and then we'll just work our way across towards the right side. Now we want to tuck the body in underneath the head. Let's start on the left. We're going to go all the way around, come down and in to right about there, and then we'll just line that up on the right side, going all the way around and then in. Let's add two bumps across the base of the leg. We're going to come down and then up in the middle. Do the same thing on the right. And we'll close out the bottom with a curve. Now tuck the legs and feet underneath. Let's start with two straight lines coming down the center. And we'll start with the toe. On the left side, bend this in, across the bottom, and then up. And then we're going to add two more toes along the outside. Coming down, around, and then in. Add one more toe. Going out, and then in towards the bottom of the ankle. Now on the side of the body, we're going to add in the wings. Let's start from the top of the body, then it's around, and then down. Let's round up the feather, and then pull it back up along the side. Let's add another one. From the bottom of this curve, we're going to come down and then up behind the side of the body. Now we're going to place the tail in behind the body. So let's start from the base of the head, angle this up and then out with a straight line. Line that up on the right. Now from here it's going to round up the top and then pull that in towards the side of the head. Now I want to fan the feathers coming down along the side. So from this point, bend this up and then down. Draw another straight angle line coming down and then in, sort of aiming towards the center of the body. Now I'm going to add a couple more on either side. Bend this up and then down. Then again, just angle this back in towards the wing. Let's add one more. Let's separate the end of each feather with a curve, starting from the bottom left, going up and then in towards that line. And we're just going to work our way all the way across towards the right side. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of a turkey. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.